In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on Hostinger VPS using Cyberpanel, featuring a simple integration with a coupon code. If you've been wanting to get your website up and running with WordPress, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, you need to access your Hostinger account. Ensure you have a VPS plan, as Cyberpanel is available exclusively for these types of plans. Once you have your VPS ready, log into your Cyberpanel VPS. This is where we'll start preparing the setup. Now, on the Cyberpanel dashboard, navigate your way to the Websites section. Click on List Website, which will show you the websites you're currently managing. Identify the website where you wish to install WordPress and click Manage right beside it. This will take you to the management page where you can tweak various settings. Scroll down until you find the Application Installer section. Among the options, you should see WP plus LS Cache. This option is an optimized combination of WordPress with Lightspeed Cache, a powerful tool to accelerate your site's performance. Let's set up some installation details to customize your WordPress site. You'll be prompted to enter a website title. Choose something that clearly represents what your site is about, as this is one of the first things your visitors will notice. Next, provide a username. This will be used to log into your WordPress dashboard. So make sure it's something easy to remember, but hard for others to guess. A crucial step here is setting a strong password. It's vital to ensure your website remains secure. Think of a password that's complex yet memorable for you. You'll also need to enter an administrator email address. This should be an email you check frequently, as important notifications and password reset information will be sent here. If you have a specific directory where you want WordPress installed, enter the path in the next step. However, if you want WordPress installed in your root directory, simply leave this field empty. Once you've filled out all necessary fields, click Install Now. The installation process will initiate, and in just a few moments, your WordPress site will be ready to go. To access the WordPress dashboard, just navigate to https://yourdomain.com/wp-admin, replacing yourdomain.com with your actual domain name. After you complete the installation, don't forget to clear your browser cache. This ensures that when you visit your new site, you're viewing the latest version. And that's it! You've successfully installed WordPress on your Hostinger VPS using Cyberpanel. With these steps, you're all set to start building and customizing your website, getting it ready for the world to see. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on making the most of your hosting service.